Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. Today is January the 14th. We are out here on our only first appointment of the day out here in Cummings, Georgia. This client actually found me on Google, watched a lot of my videos like a lot of my clients. I came out here last week when I did the 6 consultations. This is one of those 6 consultations booked on the spot. He's going to be doing the engineered hardwood floor with some color correction, screen and recoat with UV Cure. And then once we get the coating down, we're going to run off into the city. Got 2 consultations today. Actually had 2 new consultations come in this morning. So anyway, guys, let me flip this around and show you what we are doing on this beautiful day. All right, so again, we are in Cummings, Georgia. This is what I consider one of my hot spots. I do a lot of jobs in Cummings, and let me show you what I'm going to be doing for Mark today. So it's a UV Cure machine. So we got these typical engineered floors that we do a lot. So we got coming into the foyer, the hallway, this area right there. There's Mark right there. Mark's office right here. Got some wear right here. I've done a job like this before. Then here, and then this whole open concept area right here. Also going to be doing some filling. Some veneer is missing. Got a big piece right here. Going to fill that. But overall, guys, the floors are not too bad. Just want to get the floors back in great condition with some good UV Cure finish. And that's what we want to be doing today. All right, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we are done with the screening, vacuuming. Now we're doing a clean and tacking. Again, very important step. So this kind of highlights a lot of how the floor is kind of going to look when we put the finish down. We are going with a satin finish rag coat, which is the UV Cure finish. And then do a little color correction, which Tavares has already done some and looks really, really good. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and finish up, come back and show you some rolling. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we just got back to these floors. These floors look immaculate. So we went out and did 2 consultations. The first one booked on the spot. And guys, please listen to me. Please, please, please do your research. Please read reviews. My first consultation, she actually booked for next Thursday, so she got my last appointment for next week. She had the floors done. She said, Courtney, I wish I would have read the reviews. Company came in, tried to do a screen and recoat, did not do a great job. The floors look horrible. So we're gonna go in there, correct that issue for her next Thursday. And then in my other consultation, I'm 90% sure, because he actually called me back with his wife, because his wife wasn't there to ask me some questions. And they did tell me, they said, Courtney, we had a guy come out yesterday and tell us that we need to sand the floors, $6,000. And he said that they, from their experience 10 years ago, they did not want to go with sanding again. So basically what's happening is they have wax on the floor, and your floors do not need to be sanded because of wax. So anyway, guys, let me flip this around and show you these floors. Guys, look at these floors, man. Wow, look at these floors. These floors look amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and start the UV. But look at these floors. Remember, I can't even tell. Remember, there's a big long strip missing there. We did a color correction fill in. It was quite a few around here, and you can just see how good this floor looks now. And my client, guys, I work for great people. So my clients told me, they said, Courtney, just lock up when you're done. They're actually going to pay me before I leave. And they said, when we get here tonight, we'll take a look at it. But the floors, oh guys, remember right here with that big missing spot, we did a color correction right here. Look how good that looks. Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and get these floors UV cured. All right, machine is ready. like spaghetti. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, that is going to do it. Floors came out again, amazing. All right, so we are done. Tomorrow we have a nice screen of recoat in Alpharetta with a bunch of stairs. And yeah, all right, guys. We're gonna go ahead and wrap it up. My client has already made the payment. We're gonna close the door, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.